How to get pure quartz in Palworld. Knowing how to obtain pure quartz in Palworld is certainly the most straightforward approach to acquiring this shiny and beneficial material. It is essential to engage in extensive exploration to reach a specific region where this resource is located, making it highly advisable to acquire a flying mount beforehand. Similar to many other resources and power, pure quartz is crucial for crafting larger, superior, and higher quality items that can aid in surviving the various dangers that abound in every corner. Without further delay, we are here to guide you on obtaining pure quartz in Palworld and the most effective pure quartz farming techniques. Pure quartz can be found in the Astral Mountains within the Palworld. This area is situated at the northernmost point of your map in the northeast corner, and the climate here is cold. Pure quartz appears in the rock deposit form, distinguishable by its slight gray hue and crystal-like appearance. You can extract this resource using a pickaxe, although we recommend utilizing a metal pickaxe to expedite and simplify the process of collecting pure quartz. Additionally, it is necessary to have a cold-resistant attire or a fire-type pal to maintain warmth in this region, as temperature can drop significantly during both day and night. So let's talk about how to acquire pure quartz in Palworld. Ensure that you're equipped with your most effective cold-resistant armor, as pure quartz can be located in snowy mountains on the northern island. Look for the black rock with jagged glass spikes protruding from it. These rocks are as dark as coal nodes but exhibit a more varied color palette. Pure quartz nodes are somewhat easier to spot at night, as their color stands out prominently in the darkness. Although pure quartz can be mined with any pickaxe, utilizing a higher tier pickaxe such as a metal pickaxe requiring 15 stone, 20 wood, and 5 ingot, will significantly enhance the mining process. So let's talk about the best locations for harvesting the pure quartz in the Palworld. There are numerous great eagle statues available for teleportation on this island, although navigating the mountainous terrain can be quite challenging. Here are some locations abundant with the pure quartz nodes, ideal for establishing a PAL box. The initial location can be pinpointed at coordinates -212 and 249, featuring a total of 9 pure quartz nodes. The second location can be found at coordinates, which is -256 and 392, housing 8 pure quartz nodes alongside 2 ore nodes. While this location may pose a slightly greater challenge to reach, having a flying mount can expedite the journey, especially considering its proximity to the land of absolute zero. Great eagle statue at coordinates -238 and 491. So this was all about how can you get pure quartz power. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.